Hi there, this is the Amazon Echo. Now, most of you know what this is, and some of you who don't, Amazon Echo is a hands-free smart speaker that you can control using your voice. Of course, its primary objective is to play music, but guess how do we play music? You talk to it, you tell it which song to play, and it plays. Sounds fun, right? Well, that is just scratching the surface of the Amazon Echo. It has so much more to offer. We're going to do an unboxing and a hands-on overview of the Amazon Echo. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. All right. So, plays the latest Bollywood hits. What's the news? Indian cricket score. Tell me a joke. Remind me, these are some of the things that the Echo can do. So I bought the black color. It's also available in grey and white. Let's keep it aside for a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Power adapter, 21 watt. Amazon branding on it. The usual quick start guide. And a small note of things to try. Music, news and radio, reminders, timers, shop at Amazon, question and answers, movies, weather, traffic, smart homes. You get the idea. Let's rip open the plastic quickly. And trust me, this looks really beautiful. It has Amazon branding right in the front. The cloth is beautiful soft textured material. On the top we have the volume up and down button, the action button, the microphone off button, and as you can see there are 7 microphones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the bottom we have the power port and the aux out, so you can easily connect it to your home theater system. It weighs about 820 grams, which makes it extremely portable. So let's quickly set it up. You would need an Android phone or an iPhone. Both would work. Download the Alexa app from the App Store. Log in with your Amazon account and follow the simple steps to set up the Echo. Alright, so now once the setup is complete, let's put it to the test. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 7:08 p.m.
Alexa, what is the weather like in Mumbai?
Currently, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 31 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can expect haze with a low of 29 degrees.
Alexa, who are you?
I'm Alexa. I can answer your questions, play music, tell jokes, and more. To learn more, just ask, what
Alexa,
can you do?
Tell me a joke.
In India, 3/4 of the population has a problem with fractions.
That was actually a silly one. Anyway, let's see something more. Alexa, can you put candles in my cart on Amazon?
Sure, candles is now in your cart.
Alexa, can you play songs from Lata Mangeshkar?
Shuffling songs by Lata Mangeshkar.
Alexa, stop. I'm not going to play too many songs because it could have copyright strikes on my channel, so kindly bear. I'll play one more, so let's see how it sounds, and it's going to be really short. Alexa, play song by Sonu Nigam.
Shuffling songs by Sonu Nigam.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, book me an Uber.
Uber can help with that. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
This skill requires you to link your Uber account and your permission to use your location. To enable it, please go to the skills section of the Alexa app and search for Uber. Your Echo received
Alexa.
an important update and must restart. It'll be ready again shortly.
And we just got an update as well. Alexa, can you believe we have an update right in the middle of the test? Let it finish with the update and I'll be back. Alexa, top news of today.
Here's your flash briefing. From NDTV News, latest news.
Just when it seemed like it was the BJP all the way, now we can tell you that it looks like the Congress and the JDS are getting ready to form a coalition
Alexa,
government.
stop. Alexa, could you remind me tomorrow at 6 p.m. to meet Ajay for a YouTube meeting?
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
The Echo has powerful speakers that fills the room with immersive 360-degree audio and delivers crisp vocals and dynamic bass response. Just ask for a song, artist or genre from your favorite music services like the Amazon Prime Music, Saavn and TuneIn. With 7 microphones, the Echo can hear you from any direction, even in a noisy environment or while playing music. You can control lights, plugs and more with compatible connected devices from Philips, Syska and TP-Link. You can also order your food on Zomato, you can book an Uber Ola cab, you can add things to your shopping cart on Amazon. The options are infinite. Yes, the Amazon Echo does have Bluetooth, so you can connect your Bluetooth enabled mobile phones, smartphones, laptops, iPads, anything that you have music on can be connected wirelessly via Bluetooth to the Amazon Echo and music can be streamed. So the original price of the Amazon Echo is $9,999, but right now it's available on sale for $7,499. And if you have a credit card or a debit card of ICICI Bank, you get 10% cash back. So the eventual cost is only $6,750, which I think is a steal. It's available in 3 colors, black, grey and white. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave the links of all 3 in the description. So I hope you really like this video. I'll be doing an in-depth full review of the Amazon Echo in the next few days. So if you have any questions regarding it, write down in the comment section, which I will be answering in the full review. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already. Until next time, cheers.